Everyone, I am Gerald Alcover. Today we're going to talk about something that's a huge part of our daily life. Multimedia and ICT in the 21st century and why they are so important. What is ICT? ICT means information and communication technology. It includes tools like computers, smartphones, and the internet that help us connect and share information. Multimedia means using a mix of text, image, audio, video, and animation to communicate message in a creative way. Let's talk about the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. Benefit 1. Communication. First, communication has become faster and clearer with social media, video calls, and messaging apps. We can connect with anyone around the world instantly. 2. Education. Second, multimedia makes learning more interactive and fun. And learning platforms, online tutorials, and digital presentation help students understand lesson better. Benefit 3. Business. Third is business. ICT and multimedia. Multimedia and powerful tools from online advertisement to virtual meetings. They help companies grow and reach more people. Benefit 4. Entertainment and of course, entertainment, games, movies, music, and even digital art are made possible with multimedia. This has inspired, entertained, and creative. So in short, multimedia and ICT have changed the way we live in the 21st century. They make life easier, learning, more engaging, business more innovative, and communication faster than ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe for more education vlogs. See you next time.